Welcome back to my channels, guys. Today I'm going to show you how I do my brows. First thing you want to do, you want to brush your brows. And today I'm going to use the NYX brow gel in the shade dark brown along with my angle brush. So you want to start at the bottom of your brows going backwards. Not using a lot of products. You don't want you don't want your brow to look too dark, so don't use a lot of the brow gel. In your lash, just a little will do the job. If you have brows like mine, it's best to use like a lighter shade. This shade was a little bit too dark, but it still worked because I don't use a lot. So I'm not changing the shape of my brow. I'm just going to continue and work with the shape, my natural brow shape. So I'm just going to go to the top and fill the top in. I'm not changing the shape of my brow, just filling it in. So now I'm still filling in my brows, ensuring that you're not seeing like the skin. So I'm ensuring that it's completely covered towards the end of my brows. So now I'm just adding a little product towards the front of my brows. I don't want it to be dark, especially at the front. So I'm just adding a little. So now I'm going in with a brow powder from my Go Brow Eyebrow Kit to set my brow gel. Now to clean my brush, I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey. And I'm going to go ahead and use the brush that comes with the concealer. Yes, I'm using the brush, guys. You don't need expensive stuff, or you can use what you have. So I'm just going to show you guys that you can use the brush with the concealer to achieve your brow. So now I'm just going to go ahead and take a flat brush and I'm going to go ahead and blend the concealer out. You want to pull away from the brow, and take your time. You don't want to mess your brow up. So pull towards the bottom. So towards the top of my eyebrow, I'm going to go ahead and use my good foundation from BB. And I'm going to use the color, it's number 9 coffee. I'm going to use that. I'm just going to add it to the back of my hand. And I'm still going to use the concealer brush at the top of my eyebrows. I'm going to go ahead and, ensure that I get a comfortable angle, and then I'm just going to pull it towards the end. And you want to take your time, guys. Don't rush. It's very easy to mess up your brows. So now I'm going in with my flat brush again. I'm just going to blend, and I'm going to go ahead and blend away from my brows. So I'm going to pull that upwards. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and please remember to subscribe to my channel. This is the before. As you can see, I didn't change the shape of my brows. I just, fill them in, and this is the after. I wasn't doing a full face makeup. I was just doing my brow. I'm in the learning process too, and I just wanted to share with you guys. Thank you so much for watching.